Guys, January 4th, 2026. I got a call from a guy. I was there about a year ago. An older gent. And he's got an oil-fired boiler there. Old boiler with a pretty old tank. He's calling me on a Sunday. He's got no heat. It's kind of cold out. It's probably 20 degrees out. He can't wait till Monday, so he wants to pay the Sunday rate to go out there. So we'll go out there and find out what's going on. He just might need a nozzle and a filter, you know. I mean, gets all mucky and whatnot. He says he got oil in a tank. Could be a blocked oil line. Says it won't fire. Could be a bad transformer. I think last time I was there, I might have put a transformer in there for him, a used one. If I remember right. We'll see when I get there what I did. I think I put a nozzle in a... I don't think he had any spark. I looked him up on Google Maps. I know who it is. An older retired guy, and he's got an elderly girlfriend there that's pretty sickly, so... Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there.
I did, yeah.
Did you bleed the air out after you changed the filter?
Yes, I did, yeah. Right here on the bleeder.
Alright. You're not supposed to have this chimney, not supposed to have this going in the same chimney as that. You know that?
I know that, but I don't use it. Only emergencies.
Yeah. He said drawer assembling, new nozzle, reset air band. So,
yeah,
alright,
yeah.
so that would, and it fired up. It was probably a nozzle issue.
Yeah.
Let's see if we're getting any oil.
I didn't want to bother you too many times this morning because I thought maybe you'd be busy, and I didn't catch the phone.
You called me like 4 times.
Yeah, I did. But
you called me 4 times. I was sleeping on the couch. I finally got up, call you back. No answer.
Yeah. Oh.
I left a message, but you never called me back. So
I didn't hear the phone go off, to tell you the truth. And
it's like I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. I've been waiting all morning.
Been waiting.
Yeah.
I left it. You don't get the message?
No, I didn't get it. It's probably loaded with shit, you know. With all kinds
let's see if we can get it going for you. I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get any oil coming out of here. You said you changed the filter.
Yeah.
You said you bled the air out?
Yeah, right
the
here.
Pump?
Right here.
Okay,
yeah.
were you getting a good flow?
No, it was running after that.
It was running after that?
Yeah, it was running. And then all of a sudden it just didn't want to start no more.
Alright, let's see. Let's see if we get a flow here. See the thing?
Yeah.
Should be a delayed oil valve. Then we should get a flow. So I'm going to get this ready so I can check the spark. It's probably a nozzle.
Yeah.
Most likely. That could be this transformer. This transformer is not designed to run constant duty.
Oh, no?
Ah, it's one of those high-tech bullshit, you know?
It's not like the old ones, huh? That's not too old. That's just before you. Those other people that used to come here that...
Alright, so let's start it up.
You gotta turn the thing on. I shut that off.
Right, so how come that's so clear? What are you running in there?
Diesel.
I'm getting spark, I can hear it. Yeah, we're getting spark. Alright, so we're gonna add nozzle.
Oh yeah, you're getting spark alright. Holy shit.
Diesel?
Yeah.
That looks like that's what, from the gas station?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's diesel, yeah, that's yellow stuff. Well, greenish yellow.
Oh, I seen the funnel out there when I came in. I said, "There's something's going on here."
Yeah, I just put a few.
A shady character.
No, not really.
Oh yeah, look at the flipping, look at the shit on there.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's the problem.
But isn't diesel cleaner than regular oil?
Well, I mean, how long has it been since you've had this thing cleaned? Let's see. What does it say? Yeah, it's been about a year.
It's gonna be about a year, yeah.
Well, I mean,
look at the freaking thing all
kind of like your old lady. She's got crusty panties there, right? Your old lady? You got crusty panties?
What are you talking about?
Your old lady got crusty panties, getting old, you know?
That's the same thing with this.
Same thing. Getting crusty.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, your dog's not liking it too much, is he?
Yeah, she's a pain in the ass.
Let's put a new nozzle in there and try it. Yeah, look at all the shit on there. Wow. Well, you're hoping that's all it is.
Oh, well, you know, It is what it is.
Yeah, crusty.
You know what I mean?
Get the old crusty panty deal going on there. Yeah, you know, that oil tank probably should be changed. Look how flipping old that is.
You know something? I do have a new one there.
A new what?
A new tank on the side of it. Just got to be hooked up the right way because I was out of here for a while when I was going through the divorce. And somebody
Let's see if
decided...
we get this thing going for you. So I'm going to give you some flipping heat in here. Yeah, you really shouldn't run that. If you ever have a fire, right, from burning wood in that wood stove, and the insurance company comes here, they ain't gonna pay.
I know that.
It's illegal.
I only have it for like situations like this. I've used it, what, three times already.
Let's see if it fires. It should fire. Yeah, last time I was here, I did the drawer assembly. It's probably just some shit on there. We are getting oil flow. You said you bled it, right? We're getting a good spark. We've seen the spark there, right? Yeah. We're getting good spark.
That's half of the battle.
Good spark, good oil flow, and a good nozzle, and she should fire. At least it ain't all full of soot. It is Sunday, you know. Wow.
This must have went off what? Around 3 o'clock this morning. Because I woke up and it was cold. I woke up about 4 and the house was cold. I says, what the hell's going on? It's not alone anymore. It's other people living with them. So an apartment probably have 3 or 4 cars. You know?
Okay,
people are merging, like getting together to live together.
Yeah, because it's...
a lot of illegals too. Legal ones are the ones that are living 3, 4, 5, 6 together in one apartment.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because they're paying $2,200 a month.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's what's happening.
Yeah, and I see the difference over here with the cars. It is true. I had never seen like this before. And this is good right now. When Trump took office, he says he was going to send the illegals back.
Who's that? Who's going to send the illegals back?
Trump, when he took office.
Yeah. Well, he's got a fucking there everywhere.
Yeah, well, a lot of people deported themselves. Self-deported.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Well, this place, these streets around here, they got vacant for a while. Because they all ran.
They all ran?
Yeah.
They all ran to Venezuela.
Well, these were Brazilians around this area. Brazilians and...
Let's see, I might have to get a different... Let's see if it works. See if it drips. Delayed oil, there it goes. Fired. You might have some smoke in there because you hit it a bunch of times.
You only did it once.
Only did it once? Yeah. Give it a minute.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a nozzle. It just had a bunch of shit on there, you know?
Yeah, that's not bad. It's a nice color.
Dripping. Good, man. That's all tight. This is all back running the way we want it. Right. Yeah, I'm getting cold in the house. Yeah. Getting cold in the house.
Wait, over here?
Your house. Must be getting cold in there, you said.
Oh, this morning was like 50.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. Yeah. You know, you're not used to it. I know I'm not used to that cold.
She's on Coumadin. Know what that is for, right?
I can't hear.
She's on Coumadin.
Oh, okay. So the blood thinner.
Oh, yeah.
Makes it worse.
Oh, big time.
Yeah, last time I talked to her, she was sick. So she's worse? She had another stroke?
No. She's improving, but very slow.
She is improving.
She's walking now and everything.
Yeah.
She doesn't have to get a cane or nothing anymore. She was on a wheelchair for a while.
Yeah, shit.
Freaking 6 months or 8 or something like that. Right now, the only thing that's going on, she's walking, she's eating pretty good, and she takes care of herself, but she's not talking yet. No voice. She forgot how to talk.
Well, I mean, I can live with that. I wouldn't have to listen to her bullshit.
Yeah, no, you know what? You know what? You touch a good subject there. You know, when I was younger, we used to say women should have came with batteries. Huh? And now I got my wish.
So you did change the filter at the tank, right?
Yes, I did, yeah.
I'm gonna write that down here.
The freaking nozzle again, man. Something again.
You don't want to run out of oil.
Oh no, that's never happened.
Alright. Ain't no rocket science, but I mean, it's running.
Yeah.
That's all we care about, right?
Years from now, yeah.
Kick the can down the road.
Yeah, well.
You ever hear that saying? It looks
Oh
like
yeah. No, we're gonna do something.
Okay, somebody's changed a smoke pipe,
Yeah.
put it in there, no screws. Is that you?
No, that was.
You didn't even put any screws in there. But anyway, got a new filter at the tank. You put that in, new nozzle, good oil flow, good spark.
I didn't even notice that.
It's supposed to have 3 screws per joint is code. Well, it could blow apart,
Oh
right?
yeah, because if something happens, a backfire or something.
If it ever backfires, it could blow apart, and then you get carbon monoxide.
Oh no.
You really should put some screws. You got any screws?
Yeah, I don't have anything right now, but I know what you want now.
You got to get some screws in there.
Yeah, some self-tappers.
That's not something I did, but I mean,
You do that. That's there for a while. That was before you.
yeah, it's running. We're getting it's decent.
I told you these people that were here, I don't know what the hell.
All right, so it's running. You got heat now.
Yeah. Hey, what is the?
Ain't no flipping prom queen. What do you mean? What is that? That's a gauge.
I know that. What's the pressure supposed to be on that?
That's it. Good 10. That's good. You got a
Okay,
good.
that's
Looks
good.
like this has all been replaced.
No, that's all new.
It's all new.
It's all original. No, it's all original. That came with the boiler. Everything that you
This
see.
This one's not even wired.
No, that's an afterbirth for something else, so that didn't happen.
I mean, we got no leaks here on the floor. You
No,
did.
there's no leak.
Oh yeah, you got the new tank there. Just have to be piped off, right? Is
Yeah.
that what you're saying?
No, somebody that did it didn't do it right. That's not the way to do that. You see the fitting on top of the tank to there? That's not supposed to be like that.
No, who did that?
I don't know. That
Probably you.
No, I didn't do that.
No?
No, I didn't do that.
Wow. Well, you got heat. That's all that matters, I guess.
I was supposed to call.
If this thing ever fucking leaks and shit, you're gonna have problems. Take a look at it, it's right on the ground.
We're gonna try to see if.
Yeah, that's all gonna be redone. I mean,
Yeah, I know
whoever
that.
did that was
That's Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse or Donald Duck did that job.
Yeah.